I'm a firm believer that creativity is a natural state for all individuals. At our core, we want to create, but we often treat creativity as this elusive gift that is only for a select few. Unfortunately, many of our students have also accepted this limited view of creativity and limited their creative muscles' potential. However, if given the right tools and training, we can develop our skills as educators to recognize creativity in various forms and foster it in all students. That is where Adobe's new course in collaboration with Khan Academy comes in. It is a free, self-paced course that spans K-12 through higher ed in subjects from math, science, history, and more. You'll learn from expert teachers throughout the course and discover over 100 free lesson plans, activities, projects that combine Adobe creative tools and Khan Academy content. Once complete, you'll receive a course badge and certificate for 20 hours of accredited professional learning to help you and your students infuse creativity into the classroom, no matter the subject. Also, did I mention it's free? Click the link to join other educators on this journey, develop your creative skills, and find your natural state. See you there.